What's up, fellow traders? Again, it's Prof. Just want to share with you my views on Nzdjpy, one of the setup or one of the pair that I've been following ever since the year 2018. Just want to show you some of the pictures of the setups that I've been following since the year 2018 regarding this harmonic pattern that you see here in this green triangular thing. Okay, let me just check first. I think I've got this. See here, guys, this was 2018. Yes, this was 2018. And then now, as you can see, we are trading somewhere here. So that's why I'm still holding a bearish bias on this one for the long run. Okay, so that's the first. The second one is this one over here. Again, you can see this was 2018 again, guys. I think it was on the 29th of October. Yes, the year 2018, not 19, 2018. You can just imagine. So the pair has just entered my sell zone. As I've shown you that we are currently trading somewhere here. Then it pushed back. Then I'm still waiting for this move. Okay, another one, I think I do have them here. It's the same, you have seen that one. Even this one. Okay, this one I think is for this current year. As you can see, that price action just did a bounce from these levels. It went up there, then came back again. So another bearish move again on that one. So let me check again. Even that this one is the same. Yes, here from that yellow area, that yellow box that you see there, is the weekly supply that I've mentioned on some of the setups that I've shared on my Facebook. Hence I've got a sell from these levels. Then I'm still enjoying this move to the downside. Okay, let me just yeah, here is this one. See, this was my supply zone over here. Took a sell position from there. Then this market is going like that. Let me quickly show you the last picture. Okay, no, it's not the last. Yeah, again this one, as you can see. So hence I'm still expecting a further down move to this area, which again you can see from those setup that it's an area of confluence here with these levels, and with the 886 of this harmonic pattern that I will just show you on those other setup that I will be doing. Yeah, so this was the most recent that I've just shared. So hence I've took myself from these levels, then I'm enjoying this ride. You can just imagine, even here you can see that was a pattern, a double top formation that could have just given you a nice entry from that level, and even another area to sell this market. It was when this market broke out of that consolidation and it continued further going downward. Okay, now back to the chart. So you can see I've marked it already, guys. I marked it already. So I believe the Nzdjpy could strengthen in a short term but the long term remains what? The long term remains bearish, guys. You can see that this market has been falling from these levels over here, from these levels in the year 2014, again there 2016, 2017, 18, whatever, 19 over there. So we have been in a consecutive bearish trend, as you can see, with these higher lows and lower lows over there. So that's this is just a monthly chart. So now I'm looking at this support range over here. As you can see, we had a bounce that can be clearly seen from this weekly. Okay, so from this range over here, I can expect price to push back to this previous structure support, then continue to fall. That is my reason that I see the Nzdjpy will strengthen in the short term, but the long term is still bearish. So I will continue holding a bearish bias below this level that you see here, the 66.871 over there. Okay, then I will target these areas over there, the area of confluence that I've mentioned for this pattern that you see here, that I've just marked over there with that green rectangular thing. It's a bullish bet, but I cannot just confirm it yet as a complete pattern. It will be completed when it reaches this level here, the 886, which is a confluence of this bottom trend line that is giving us this bigger triangle pattern that you can see over there. So there is still enough room to the downside that you can enjoy as this pair is going to fall, guys. That's what I see on this market. So let's just take it down back here to this time frames. Okay, yeah, you can see another great opportunity to short this market. It was at the breakout of this small rectangle that we have there, and again I do believe this target is not yet met, so it's somewhere here. So from here we can look out for maybe a push up or a break down to this level. Why am I expecting a push from these two levels? It's because of I see this as just maybe a potential reversal pattern in the form of a inverted head and shoulder. Here is our first shoulder, there's the head. Over here we are working on the last right shoulder, and then from that gap area to this level, that's our neck line. So it can even push further up to that area, so it can give us a chance to short it on discount, then go down with this market. So if this pattern becomes valid, guys, it will be supporting that statement that I've just made, that this Nzdjpy could strengthen in the short term, but the long term still remains to the downside. So for now, it's just a matter of wait and see from these levels. Okay, others they've entered because of they see that maybe it's a retest of this previous structure support here, then they will target that area, but that for me is not enough pips. For those who want to scalp, they can still take it like that. Stops, I cannot advise on that, it's their own choice, but let's look for potential bounces of this level, guys, around this area. maybe we can have something that will give us that potential inverted head and shoulder. If not, then it will continue to fall to this support range here on the weekly. Then from here we can expect maybe a push back to this previous structure support, then we target this area. So I'm still remaining bearish. I'll be looking for potential setups over here, potential rejection to the upside, then before coming down like that, or a further breakout of this level. Then I'll wait for price to move sideways like that to retest that level and continue to this area over here. Then from here, that's where we can start to look for a push up and trade inside this bigger triangle formation that you are seeing here, guys. So still have some enough room to the downside. That's what I believe in. I'll keep on updating you should I see anything happen like the inverted head and shoulders that I've just shown on the H4 time frame. So we can maybe consider buys for the short to medium term, so that we can target another sell areas higher, because of from this level to this one over here. I do think this the 50% discount is a 50% retracement that will happen. Another great area to short the market from that level. Another one I think is just somewhere there, the 618. So that's, if for those who want to wait, they can just wait for that. But yeah, you just see that. So this is just it, guys. This is just it. And another thing you can even check out here, that alright, it's not that perfect, but I hope you get the idea there. You can see that price is consolidating just on this bottom supportive trend line. So hence I'm saying that a breakout can happen from this level, then we'll start to see potential rejections from this area over there. And then if not, there's nothing wrong with it. You can just take this buy if you know how to trade the bounce. But for me, I will be looking for sells if that happens around those areas or even this level, then go down with this market. Bearish I remain on this one, guys. So you can see here that the market has been falling for quite some time now, and the volume here, it's so awesome. This one here, I think it is being fueled by the COVID-19, as you know, and here the Q is not yet found, so this market will fall. As you know, NZD is a cousin to the AUD that's been suffering a lot recently. So further bearish move is expected on this pair. Then we can take this move to the downside and enjoy the fall. Okay, thank you very much and cheers.